Yes, my dear friend, in this lesson we will learn how to clean our LCD screen. In order to perform this operation, we need to learn a new method. The name of this method is clear. We can clear our LCD screen with the clear method. So let's get started. First of all, let's include our LCD screen library. So let's move to the top and let's include our liquid crystal underscores I2C dot H library. And then let's move to a new line, call our liquid crystal I2C class. So I will write here liquid crystal underscores I2C, and also we have to set a name here, so put a space and let the class name be, for example, LCD, and also open and close parentheses and put a semicolon. And let's move inside of our parentheses. First of all, we have to define our LCD screen address as 0x27 and also put a comma, and the second parameter will be our column number. So our column number is 16, and also we have to define last parameter. Our last parameter will be our row number. So our row number is 2. If you do something like this, we have successfully introduced our LCD screen. And then let's move inside of our setup function and let's start our LCD screen. So let's write here lcd.begin and also open and close parentheses and put a semicolon. And then let's move to the loop function. And let's delete this comment. Alright, let's do an example here. For example, let's print hello for 1 second on our LCD screen. Then let's delete it. Then let's print see you for 1 second and also delete it again. So now let's move to the loop function here, and also we have to call our setCursor functions. So let's write here lcd.setCursor and also open and close parentheses and put a semicolon, and let's move inside of our parentheses. The first parameter will be our column number. So I will enter 0 because I will output at my starting position. So my starting position is 0, 0. That's why we define as 0, 0. And also let's move to a new line and let's call our print function because we will print hello on our LCD screen. So let's write here lcd.print and also open and close parentheses and put a semicolon and move inside of our parentheses. Let's create double quotes and let's write here hello. And then let's move to a new line and let's call our delay function because we will keep it on the screen for 1 second. So that's why we call our delay function. So let's write here delay and open and close parentheses and put a semicolon and move inside of our parentheses. Let's define 1000 to inside of our parentheses, and also we will learn a new function here, and also we can say method too. So our new function is clear. So if you want to use clear function, firstly we will call our LCD variable name. So my LCD variable name is LCD, and then put a dot and let's write here clear and open and close parentheses and put a semicolon. If you do something like this, we will clean our LCD screen. So let's continue. So now let's move to a new line and call our print function again because we will print CU. That's why we call again print function. So let's write here lcd.print open and close parentheses and put a semicolon and move inside of our parentheses. Let's create double quotes and let's write here CU. And then let's call our delay function again because we will keep it on the screen for 1 second. So let's write here delay, open and close parentheses and put a semicolon, and let's define value 1000. And then let's clear screen again. So let's write here lcd.clear, open and close parentheses and put a semicolon. Alright my friend, we are done. So now let's verify our code. So let's write here clear and let's save this file. And as you can see here, the compiling is done. So now let's upload our code. Alright my friends, we are done. So now I will share my camera with you. As you can see, we were able to successfully clear our screen and print what we want to within 1 second. Alright my friend, in this lesson we learned how to clean our LCD screen. So now let's move on to our next lesson.